Manini, do you believe, this was the one demographic which a year ago the Congress thought they would target, that they would bring in Rahul Gandhi, he would be able to bring in the young voter. Just the opposite has happened. Modi has outscored Rahul 2-1 among younger India. What explains that? What explains Modi's magic among younger Indians?
No, I think Modi has actually outscored Rahul in every demographic.
In every demographic, but in youth it's much higher.
But in youth, because I think the way he packaged himself, I think his packaging was superb, his marketing was superb. And he actually, as I said yesterday, it wasn't a normal election. It was not about one political party versus another. It was, he cast himself as a Superman. And the kind of people who came to his, the whole, and he built it up month by month, week by week, over almost a year-long campaign through social media, through every other media. And the Congress was hoping he'd peak too early, but rather than peaking too early, he was gathering strength each time.
But he reached out to the young.
Yeah,
remember,
exactly.
If you remember, his first big speech was at SRCC.
Yeah.
He reached out consciously to a young audience.
Very simple.
Spoke to that audience.
It was simple to the point of being simplistic. That for 60 years, nothing has happened in this country. And he exaggerated how bad things were. And the youth who have no idea of the trials and tribulations through which, and all the achievements that India has had, despite, we're not a flawless country, but I think an older generation would be a little skeptical about this everything sucks, the kind of thing that he said. And the other thing was that he cast himself as a Superman, and all this, chai pe charcha and holograph and all that. So in Modi's rallies, if you see, it was, the reception was not like a political rally, but like a rock star. Modi, Modi, the chanting. It's like Beatlemania.